The SBME brings together people from very diverse backgrounds with similar types of thinking and similar approaches. What is really fun is that you might have someone that is working on stem cells, someone that is working on vaccines, and someone that is working on microbes. But all of these different disciplines can come together because of the way that we approach questions to try to improve medicine via biotechnology.
Our research is seeing liver disease, which has very high rates of prevalence. Our technology is enabled a solution that can present the state of health of your liver. We are working with patients. We work with the MDs and surgeons and radiologists and I understand their needs, and we try to address them using signal processing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence tools.
We develop new tools and methods to interrogate biological samples. We use this more specifically to interrogate tumor samples and try to measure heterogeneity in them, and also try to see if we can measure the tumor load much earlier in a patient. You could also pinpoint and treat them in a more precise manner.
If we can use the microbes that live in us to tell us what is happening within our gut, we're going to be able to know the changes that are occurring much sooner than, say, by doing a blood draw and figuring out when there's inflammation in your body. We usually think about microbes as being things that we want to fight away, but now we're understanding that not only do we want to keep them because they improve our health, but also because they can be these essential diagnostics and therapeutics that will help us fight diseases that are currently becoming really prevalent.
My research is within the AI oncology space. We build AI machine learning models for precision diagnostics and also treatment planning and personalized cancer therapies. We focus on translational research mainly, so meaning that we focus on the specific clinical questions that we try to build AI models for, so that there is a recipient on the clinical side for implementation and changing the outcomes for the patients.
We are interested in how our brain is able to comprehend the multitude of information that is presented to us through all of our different senses and make sense of the world and know where we are and know how to go from one place to the other. Understanding how neurodegeneration, so the death of neurons in the brain, affects us as we get older, for example, through diseases like Alzheimer's and other dementias. And in the future, we hope to extend this research to participants who are affected with the early stages of dementia.
It's a combination of state-of-the-art equipment, personnel, good ideas that will help translate some of the innovations into these devices, and from these devices out in the industry, which can be made at scale.
We cannot work as individual entities. So by bringing innovators together, you get much better innovations.